Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix AppData folder is missing in Windows. First method is, open File Explorer. Click File, click Change Folder and search options. Click View tab. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %AppData %. Click OK. Click AppData folder. Second method is, open File Explorer. C Drive, open Users folder. Open your username. Click View. Click Options, Change Folder, and Search Options. Click View tab. Check Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.